Hello students, welcome back in our new session. Today in this session we will discuss about OOPS concepts. So OOPS basically a object oriented programming system. Object oriented programming system So first we should understand about the programming. What is programming system or programming? Sometimes we called it programming as programming methodologies. So programming is what? So programming is a way. So it is a way to do a task or work for a development. So that is actual means of programming. So what is programming? So it is a way to do a task or work for a development. Now if we talk about the object-oriented programming system, so there are 5 to 6 types of main pillars we can say in object-oriented programming, through which we completely perform object-oriented programming concepts. So what are these? First is class, second is methods and objects, third is abstraction, fourth one is encapsulation, next one is inheritance, and last one is polymorphism. So these are object-oriented programming concepts. So by using all these programming OOPS concepts, we can easily analyze and perform any program using object-oriented programming. Class, we should keep in mind some points about the class. So first point is, it is a collection of and objects second point, it is not a real world entity. It is not a real world entity. Third point is, it is just a blueprint or template typed prototype, and the fourth one is, it does not contain or occupy a memory. So these are some major points about the class, and now we will see the syntax of the class. What is syntax? We have access specifier, then class and class name, then after we have some body of class. In this body we can define methods, constructors, variables, some nested class, so many things we can define. So I hope you got the valuable information about the object oriented programming systems, and we have seen some basic information about the class. So that's all for today's today's session, and later on we will discuss some other concepts of OOPS. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.